The Hawker Sea Fury stands as one of the most iconic and powerful piston-engine naval fighters ever built, representing the peak of propeller-driven aircraft design at the end of the Second World War and during the early jet age. Developed by Hawker Aircraft for the Royal Navy Fleet Air Arm, the Sea Fury combined exceptional speed, rugged construction, impressive maneuverability and strong firepower, making it one of the finest carrier-based fighters of its generation. Although it arrived too late to participate in the bulk of World War II, the Sea Fury went on to prove its worth in post-war conflicts, most notably during the Korean War, where it demonstrated remarkable capability against both ground targets and enemy aircraft, including jet-powered adversaries. The origins of the Sea Fury trace back to wartime requirements for a lightweight, high-performance fighter with improved handling and reduced mass compared to earlier Hawker designs such as the Tempest and Typhoon. The goal was to produce an aircraft capable of taking on the most advanced enemy fighters while maintaining the durability and versatility required for naval operations. When the Royal Navy adopted the aircraft, significant modifications were made to enable carrier use. These changes included folding wings for easier hangar storage, a strengthened fuselage for catapult launches and arrested landings, and a reinforced landing gear designed to endure the demanding conditions of naval service. The resulting aircraft blended speed, strength and stability in a way that made it a favorite among pilots and ground crews. At the heart of the Hawker Sea Fury was its powerful Bristol Centaurus radial engine, one of the most advanced and potent piston engines ever produced in Britain. This massive 18-cylinder, sleeve valve engine delivered over 2,400 horsepower depending on variant, allowing the Sea Fury to achieve speeds of more than 450 miles per hour. This made it one of the fastest piston engine fighters in history and among the very few capable of competing with early jet fighters in certain situations. The engine's performance also provided excellent climb rates, strong acceleration and the ability to carry substantial ordnance loads without sacrificing stability. The radial engine layout ensured durability in combat and resistance to damage, an important factor for survival during naval missions. The Sea Fury's airframe design contributed greatly to its reputation. It featured clean aerodynamic lines, a broad wing structure and a sturdy metal fuselage engineered to withstand the stresses of high-speed operations and heavy maneuvering. Despite being a carrier aircraft, it retained exceptional agility, offering crisp roll rates and responsive controls. Many pilots considered it one of the best handling piston fighters ever built. The aircraft also benefited from a bubble canopy that provided excellent visibility, improving performance in dogfights, landing approaches and ground attack runs. Its wide-track landing gear offered stability during carrier takeoffs and landings, reducing the risk of accidents on crowded ship decks. In terms of armament, the Sea Fury carried a formidable weapons package. Standard fighter models were equipped with 4 20mm Hispano cannons mounted in the wings, giving the aircraft significant striking power against enemy fighters, bombers and ground targets. In addition to its cannons, the Sea Fury could carry bombs, rockets and external fuel tanks. This combination allowed the aircraft to perform a wide range of missions, from air superiority and fleet defense to close air support, interdiction and anti-shipping operations. The powerful engine and robust wing structure made rocket and bomb delivery highly effective, particularly during Korean War operations where ground attack missions were a major component of its combat role. Operational history of the Sea Fury highlighted its versatility and toughness. Although it entered service shortly after the Second World War, it quickly became an essential asset for the Royal Navy. During the Korean War, Sea Furies flew from British carriers conducting strike missions against enemy infrastructure, vehicles and troop concentrations. The aircraft proved capable of delivering accurate and devastating firepower in challenging terrain and weather conditions. Its reliability under combat stress earned it a strong reputation among pilots who valued its ability to absorb damage and continue flying. One of the most famous moments in the Sea Fury's history occurred during encounters with enemy jet fighters. While jets generally outperformed piston-engine aircraft in speed, the Sea Fury's excellent maneuverability and acceleration allowed skilled pilots to hold their own in dogfights. The aircraft achieved one of the few recorded piston versus jet air-to-air victories when a Sea Fury shot down a MiG-15 during the Korean War. This event demonstrated the outstanding capabilities of the Sea Fury even in an era where jet propulsion dominated military aviation. The Sea Fury saw extensive service not only with the Royal Navy but also with several other air forces and navies around the world. Countries such as Australia, Canada, Burma, Pakistan, Cuba, Iraq, the Netherlands and others operated variations of the aircraft. In many of these air forces, The Sea Fury served well into the 1950s and early 1960s, reflecting its durability and adaptability. Some nations used it primarily for air defense, while others relied on its powerful ground attack capabilities. Its simple maintenance requirements, strong airframe and reliable engine contributed to its long service life in diverse environments ranging from tropical climates to desert regions. From a technical standpoint, the Hawker Sea Fury measured about 34 feet in length with a wingspan of roughly 38 feet. Its empty weight and maximum takeoff weight varied depending on the specific variant and payload, but the aircraft was structurally capable of handling demanding flight conditions and heavy ordnance loads. The Sea Fury's range exceeded 700 miles on internal fuel, and it could extend its operational endurance with auxiliary tanks. Its service ceiling reached heights that allowed it to operate effectively in high-altitude environments, although its strengths were particularly notable during low-level strike missions where its speed and agility provided an advantage. Pilots praised the Sea Fury for its smooth handling, predictable behavior at high speeds and responsive controls. Even though it was a large and powerful aircraft, it maintained a light feel in flight, giving it strong performance in combat scenarios that required split-second maneuvering. Carrier landings, often the most dangerous part of naval flight operations, were made more manageable thanks to the aircraft's wide gear stance and robust construction. These qualities combined to create an aircraft that inspired confidence in the men who flew it. Today the Hawker Sea Fury holds a special place in aviation history. It represents the last and most advanced stage of piston fighter development before jets fully took over military roles. Many examples survive in museums, private collections and airshows where they continue to fly, showcasing their speed and power to new generations. The unmistakable sound of the Centaurus engine, the striking silhouette of the airframe and its remarkable blend of strength and elegance make the Sea Fury a favorite among enthusiasts. Its legacy lives on as one of the finest naval fighters ever built and a true testament to the engineering excellence of its era.